keep your skeleton, keep your spine to your partner. All the time, pushing sensation is recommended. Change. Fan. Thank you. Boom. And walk, and walk, and walk. Stay with me. So this arm shouldn't change. And of course, we don't want to be focusing on arm. We're focusing on the body, on the feel of the spine. And excellent. You can put your arm here, or you can put arm here. Either way is good. Walk, turn, and immediately find your partner. Not that fast. Get there, but still be aware where your spine is projecting. Walk and with me here. So the same here on the opening out. As we open out, very good. You want to have your spine almost aiming for your partner, right? Even though you have your action and beautiful foot pointed, spine-wise, we're towards each other all the time. Walk, walk, and walk, and a walk, and walk, and walk, and a walk.